In this video, I'll guide you on how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your laptop or your PC using this built-in Windows software. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Firstly, you have to plug in your iPhone to your computer. After plugging it, you will get this pop-up on your phone asking if you trust the computer. Click on Trust. Then after that, you might need to put in your iPhone password to complete the connection process. When all that is done, you go to the bottom of your computer and click on Search bar. Then you search for the Photos app. Then you come over here and click on Open to open the Photos app. When it opens, go to the top and click on Import. After that, you select your Apple iPhone. After selecting your Apple iPhone, you wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for all your photos and videos to appear on your computer, and this is determined based on how many photos and videos you have. But you must make sure to keep your iPhone unlocked during this process. After the whole loading process, you can now see your iPhone photos and videos showing on your computer. Then you can click on this Select All button over here to select all the images and videos all at once, or you can choose the images individually. When you're done selecting the images, click on Add Items to export them to your computer. Then over here, you can select the location path you want this media to be saved to, or even click on Create Folder to create a new folder for the imported images and videos. Now let's create a folder. Go over here and click on Create Folder. Then type in the folder name and click on Create. Then come over here and click on Import to import the photos and videos to your computer. Now, after importing the photos and videos, you have to confirm them in the location path you assigned to it. Now, to confirm it, you go to your File Manager, then go over to Pictures, then select the folder you just created. Right there, you see the photos and videos you just imported from your Apple iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.